is why you like and subscribe, because I do stuff like this for you. Had to pick this up. He just dropped it for me, actually. And old boy's from out of town. I'm supposed to have a super lead on some other bikes, so we'll see. Just got this one delivered. 87 Honda Fat Cat. We're gonna go put it in the shed and see if she'll fire up, and then once it does, we'll give her a tune-up. Hey boys, this is why you do it right here. This is why you like and subscribe for the cool shit.
Bucket list is empty, but the wish list is growing. Every time I'm going up, the competition is low. And I don't diss them, I don't miss them, I just dismiss opponents. Used to never get so played, but the interest is growing. And I gotta blame it on my intuition. I'm knowing that they all relying on me. Got a real big instead, I'm trying to beat them.
My bad. There's a little lever for this mug. I already took out these two 8mm. This is sketchy, guys, when you're doing this. So this little tab, you can either try and slightly bow it, but you don't want to break it. And this feels like it doesn't want to go anywhere. But you get this piece off and loose, and it's actually got a little housing, and it can be very hard to get off. You need to be patient with it, boys, or you'll be fucking sorry. There we go. Then it has this little clip that's holding it here, so you kind of really slide her forward a little first, get it up off of it like that, slide her out. Carefully, guys. So carefully here. I don't want to whip the tank with the bolt or washer. Scissors off, because it's trash, I'm sure, if there's even one on it. We'll rinse this out in a minute with some fresh gas. Make sure the petcock's clear. It's a good looking tank, man. This slide is currently stuck. I've been spraying PB Blaster in it for about an hour. I know I can get it out pretty easily, but been trying to do her the right way. I'm getting these two off here. We're definitely gonna have to check in this air box, because I imagine it's gonna be pretty gnarled up. There you go, boys. That's why you don't run her like that, huh? If I see that squirrel though, I'm beating that motherfucker's ass. You can believe that. Don't tell me her. If she sees the squirrel, Rolo said she's gonna get. You gonna get the squirrel? Rolo will probably beat me to the squirrel. I'll give her that. Get us a Phillips. A Drillips, I like to call it, because I don't use no Phillips. Got the Drillips. You can see in there, there's a little room to go under the slide. Then I just try and give her a twist. If we don't get this out, then we're looking at a throttle cable and a carb. Daggum. See, boys, that's how you do her. That penetrating blaster really has to penetrate. So you want to get it in there and then give her a few of those numbers. And we'll be able to probably clean that up. Come on, guys. She's been sitting a while. Looking fucking tasty. Nope, it didn't. By God. Turn it first. Holy shit, guys. Well, let's just save ourselves a bunch of trouble here. And let's just see what we got. Because this is, I mean, I'm not saying I can't clean this carburetor. But come on, guys, you gotta pick your spot. It's like, the further I get into it, the nastier the damn thing looks. It says it's a Makuni. Let's pull the bowl off and see if it looks clean, guys. I'm a fucking beast. Alright, let's go with like a 135 main. There's a 140. Let's try that. Check this idle jet. It's in pretty good shape. And everything seems to work. Oh, flappy right here, I could always take it off if it came down to it, but I figured pulling it this way would be better. That way if it shoots off, it'll go at the ground instead of at my lips. I'll probably lose it halfway down the road, and it'll probably whip me in the back of the leg. I gotta put it in reverse. Hold on, boys. Only made these for 2 years. Oh, booger. Yeah, we're gonna have to back that jet out to like a 120. My luck, factory jetting was right on a fucking 95. You live and learn, guys. I should have looked at the jetting on these things. I figured that this carb for a 125 had a smaller main jet, so I tried putting a 130 or 140 in it, and the 90 that was in there was a lot closer to stock. So what's happening when I hit the throttle right now, it's getting too much gas. I'll show y'all a symptom, what it's like, what that sounds like real quick, and then tell you how to tell if it is getting too much gas before you go back to jetting. So it's a learnable moment, and I've already learned this lesson. All I should have done was just look at the specs. But anyways, here we go. Check this out. So, too much fuel. It's fine at idle, but when I get on the main jet and I give it wide open throttle, it starts cutting out. That's not a rev limiter. Well, let's see if we can make it better by flipping the choke. We'll introduce more fuel and less air that way. It ain't liking that. Now it bogs even more. Rollo, you bad girl. You shut them lips. It's quiet on the set. So the point is that when a bike does that, you can pull the choke. If it improves your situation, you're probably not getting enough fuel. When you pull the choke and it makes the situation worse, on wide open throttle, you're probably getting too much fuel. So too much fuel, just like I suspected. We got the jets here. We're gonna go back down. We're gonna go to a 100 because I have the airbox open. So we're gonna do a 100 on it and see if that works. Get some riding video. She didn't even want to pop a wheelie, guys. I was gonna ask him for my money back. Don't be discouraged when that happens because the carb's empty when you go to put it on, and you're gonna turn it upside down, tilt it, and that float's probably gonna get hung up. So just wrap on it a little bit. As you see now, it ain't dripping at all. But now listen at the top, because somebody tried to tell me it's a rev limiter. No, I never even heard the rev limiter. The only jetting issue now is the slight popping on D-cell. Listen here. So I could have probably got away with a 115 in there. But we're also getting top speed run on this one. See what the hell it'll do. This fat cat a tune-up earlier, boys. Pretty easy. No more bogging since I rejetted it. Hey guys, I did the top speed and it hosed me. So we're gonna do it again. We're gonna leave it on. I got to teabag it a little bit. That's a bunch of bullshit. For a diesel tractor, 50 miles an hour is hooking it, dude. I passed those guys pulling the combines. They're doing like 18. 50 mile an hour right there. Comfortably. You had more left in her. I like to save a little bit for next time. I mean, she's girthy. For sure. But you know what? It's a badass machine. chain. Pretty much go anywhere type of deal. Skirt. Damn. That time to come through here with the saw. Y'all want a video of that? Me just cutting a bunch of brush? That would be fun, right? That ain't shit, dudes. This wet rock might be fun. Freaking goat, dude. It spun a little bit, but woo! Oh shit! I don't want to finish that fender off, boys. Throw it down in this one. Scrub it, jump it, fucking scrub it. Well, boys, that's my workout for the day. I got her in. I can go eat some pizza now. Whoops! Fucking handled them. Telling you, first gear's like if you're trying to tow a gooseneck. See how she handles some air, boys. Beautifully. If you are wondering how to kickstart these, what you do is you just see it's got these directions. You just say fuck that. Boys.